Hello devs. So in this tutorial we will be seeing how to navigate between two screens in Flutter and how we can send parameters from one screen to another. So let's start. So this is my current screen, screen 1, with just one text view. So we'll create another button just below the text view. So that will be a raised button. So the text will be child text go to next page, and the contrast event will be, say, go to next page. Okay, so we have to write like this. Okay, so we'll define the function go to next page inside the state, so void go to next page. Okay, so let's see if everything is working. Hot reload. Okay, the button is there. Now we have to navigate, right? So we'll create another screen and just take a copy of that, and we'll change it to screen 2. Screen 2 here, screen 2 here, and this will be screen 2 state. So see screen 2, this screen 2 state, this is screen 2 state. So we'll change the button in the second screen to go back. So the function will be go back. Here also the function name is go back. So we'll go to screen 1 and let's do the navigation. So that will be navigation. So these are all built in. Navigator dot push. It takes two parameters, one is context and other one is the route. So we have to pass the context, so that will be the build context. So the route will be a material route. So new material page route. So it takes a, so let's see what are the parameters. So that's the builder. So we will type builder. So this is how you route builder and the context, and pass the context. So we have to import the screen 2 here. And new screen 2. Can just remove the bracket from here for now. You don't need the bracket. Okay, all good. Let's test if it is working. So you have to pass the context here. So there is the context. Copy it and pass it here. Okay. Okay, let's hot reload. Okay, let's tap the button. Okay, that is working. So we have to write the method to pop back from the screen 2. So let's go to screen 2 and do navigator dot So here also we need the context. So first the context here. So this is the same context. So we have to define the parameter here. Build context. Context. Okay. Hot reload. Okay. Let's click the go back, then it should go back to the screen 1. Okay, that's working. So as you can see, when you click go to next, this is screen 1 because we took a duplicate of screen 1. Now let's send this as a parameter from screen 1. Okay, so for that we'll be just sending the title parameter, right? So we will be writing string title, and we can remove this. Okay, you don't have to give it like this. That's a duplicate declaration, so this is enough. The screen 2 now accepts one parameter. That is a string. Okay, so let's go to screen 1, and there should be an error. Okay, so it is expecting one parameter. As you see, that's the title. So let's send the title as screen 2. Okay, so screen 2 will be coming here, and you can access the widget parameters with widget.title. So it should change the title here. Okay, and we'll do the same here. Widget. So widget is a global object for this, the whole widget. So widget.title. So let's do reload and see what happens. Reload again. Okay, so I was on the other screen, that's why we got this error. Okay, so reload. Okay, let's click on the next page. Okay, so there is this screen 2 and screen 2. So we have successfully passed the parameter from one screen to another. So that was pretty easy. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.